Good morning children. Today I want to give you some remarks from the homeworks, okay, and some of you asked doubts also how to do, so that's why I am explaining this one, since I had to give some remarks also and plus somebody asked, so that's why I am giving. So both I can explain in one sum, that's why I am giving. Okay, let's see here it's given mixed number and you have to add it now. So when it is given in mixed number, first I told you to convert them into improper fraction. Okay, so improper fraction, how you will convert the mixed number? The format of mixed number is whole number, numerator and by denominator. So when you convert into improper fraction, what you have to do? Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by denominator. Okay, so this denominator must be there. Some of you are not writing this denominator, that's why I am explaining this one. So now this 2 5 by 6, let's convert now. So here the whole number is 2, numerator is 5, denominator is 6. So it is whole number multiply by denominator 6, again plus numerator 5, again by denominator 6. So this you have to write. Without writing, you cannot just after doing calculation you can write. It is not like that. You have to write the denominator. Okay, now next one plus, let's convert this one. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by denominator. Okay, now let's do the calculation. 2 6 are 12. So 12 plus 5 by 6, again here plus 12 ones are 12, 12 plus 11 by 12, and here 12 plus 5 17, 17 by 6 plus this is 12 plus 11, it is 23, 23 by 12. See here the denominator. What is the denominator? It remains the same. After calculating, it remains the same. It doesn't change. Okay, it will never change. Okay, here also you see it remains the same. Okay, that way you have to do. Okay, now you see here the denominators are different, so you cannot add directly. When denominator is same only, if it is a like fraction. Okay, like fraction means denominator will be same. Then only you can add the numerator. But here it is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions means the denominator is different. So in that case you have to convert them into like fraction. After converting them into like fraction only you can add. Okay, so to convert them into like fraction you have to change them into same denominator. So first I told you to do the cross multiplication, but sometimes it will be a bigger number. Now you see 12. 12, if you do the cross multiplication 17 into 12 you will get a bigger number. Okay, so that's why I told you to find the HCF. If you find the HCF it will be easy. Okay, otherwise what you can now, by looking at the number itself we can find out. Here 6 is there, here 12 is there. So now in 6 table 12 is coming, isn't it? In 6 table 12 is coming. 12 table 6 doesn't come. In 12 table 6 will not come, but in 6 table 12 comes. That means how many 6 are 12? 6 2s are 12. So if you multiply 6 by 2, then 6 can become 12. Okay, if you multiply 6 by 2, 6 can become 12. Okay, so if 6 will become 12, so already this is 12 only. So you don't need to change this one. Only this is changing is enough. So when you change the, when you multiply the denominator, then you have to multiply the numerator also. Okay, so 17 by 6 multiply by 2. 6 if you multiply by 2 it is becoming 12. So therefore numerator also we are multiplying by the same number. Okay, plus, and this is remaining the same. So 12, it is the same. So leave it as it is. Okay, so you see that if in this in the two denominator, if any denominator can become the other denominator by multiplying by any number, that way you can check. Okay, now 6 if you multiply by 2 it is becoming 12. Okay, so that way you check whether easily you can multiply or not. Okay, if you are not able to check, then you can do the LCM, otherwise you can do the HCF and you can calculate. Okay, otherwise if you are finding it difficult with HCF and LCM, then directly you do the cross multiplication. Okay, whichever you can do, directly you can find which number you can multiply, otherwise use the HCF method or LCM method. If both these three methods are for you difficult, then use the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, you no need to use your brain, no, directly you are going to multiply by this denominator, you multiply this fraction, by this denominator will multiply this fraction. That way you will do, but last you have to reduce the fraction. So there you have to do the calculation. Here it will look easier, but in the end you will have to do the reduction of fraction. There you have to do little hard work. Okay, now let's do now. 17 into 2, it is 34. 34 by 12, again plus 23 by 12. So now the denominator became same. So let's take it common. Again 34 plus 23. We will write it on the numerator. So if we add 34 plus 23, you will get 57. 57 by 12. Okay, now 57 is a prime number, not a prime number, no? 5 plus 7, 12. So 12, this can be divided by 5 plus 7, 12. So 12 can be divided by 3. So this 12 also can be divided by 3. So you can divide it by 3. You have to reduce into the lowest term. Okay, there only you can finish the answer. Okay, so if we divide, so you can divide, it will take time, so I am not dividing. Like this way you can divide. Okay, so if you divide 57 by 3, you will get 19, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 19 by 4. So 19 is a prime number, so again no more you can divide. Okay, so now you see this is an improper fraction, no? Again you have to convert them into proper fraction. Okay, you have to convert them into mixed number. So converting mixed number, what you have to do? 19 you have to divide by 4. 19 you have to divide by 4. 19 divide by 4. So in 19, how many 4s are there? 4 4s are 16. So if you minus 9 minus 6, 3, and here 0. So now you will write it like this. Okay, so this will come in the side. So we will write it side. This will come down. So down, and this will go up. So 3. 4, 3 by 4. See here, this is also I want to explain here. See here in the denominator 4 is coming. Okay, so this 4 is the same denominator here. It doesn't change here. Okay, some of you don't know where to write, no? So I put arrow mark and showed, still you are having doubt and you are changing the places, no? Sometime this 3 is remaining the same down. Okay, you must check whether your answer is correct or not. See, the same way after converting the improper fraction into mixed number, the denominator will remain the same. Here is 4 means it will be 4 only. Okay, here denominator will be 4 and here it will not be 3. Okay, don't write it. Some of you are writing 4 by 3. Okay, be careful. Okay, denominator must be the same. Here 4 means this answer also will be 4. Okay, don't forget that one. Okay, this is wrong. If denominator is changed, then your answer is wrong. Denominator will remain the same. So this is the answer. This is the last answer. Okay, final answer. If you finish it up to here also, I will give a mark, but I will reduce at least half mark. Okay, this is a complete answer, no? By changing them into lowest term, then you are converting them into mixed number. That is the complete answer. This is also is the answer, but the complete answer is this is the one. So if you write this one, I will reduce little mark. Okay, but this if you write, then I can give the full marks. Okay, this just I will give you the hints. Okay, if I do all the sum like this, see, for one sum itself it is taking at least 9 minutes, so I cannot complete everything. And here, so I will just say you how to observe, and by observing the sum, observing the question, which number we can do, which way, which will be the easy method, that only I want to say. See here, this is, you will convert them into improper fraction, isn't it? So after converting the improper fraction, this denominator will remain the same only. Okay, so this fraction will have 6 as denominator, this fraction will have 3 as a denominator. Okay, then this is a unlike fraction, 6 and 3 different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. So to convert into like fraction, I told you to check, no? So now 6 and 3, so these two number you compare. You see this number, if you multiply by 2, then it can become 6. 3 2s are 6. That means this fraction you will multiply by 2. This you won't multiply, only this one you will multiply. Okay, so just we did a, no, sum a, that the same way this is. Now look at the same, this one also same. Here 8 and here 4. Now 4 if you multiply by 2, it will become 8. So this fraction you will multiply by 2. Okay, so this will remain the same, then you will do the calculation. Okay, so this is easy way, that way you can find it. If you go for cross multiplication, you will get the bigger number and you will find it difficult for your calculation. Now if you find it this way, then you have to multiply only this number. So when you multiply only this one, then you will get a little smaller number, so for you the calculation will be easier. But if you see here the denominator is 5, here the denominator is 3. So in this case, this is prime number, this is also prime number. So both are prime numbers, so they will not have a they will not have a common number to be multiplied. Okay, that means which number to multiply, no shortcut you will not have. So you have to directly do the cross multiplication only. Okay, so this one I will explain now how to do. C1. Okay, fast I will go. 3 4 by 5 plus 1 2 by 3. First we will change them into improper fraction. So whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by denominator plus whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator by denominator. So now 3 5s are 15 plus 4 by 5 again plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 by 3. Now 15 plus 4 19 by 5 plus 3 plus 2 5 by 3. So now we have to do the cross multiplication. By 3 you will multiply this fraction. I am writing here. So in cross multiplication like this, 19 by 5 and 5 by 3 is there. So by 3 you have to multiply this fraction, by 5 you have to multiply this fraction. So multiplying this fraction means not only the numerator, denominator also you have to multiply by the same number. So 19 by 5 will be multiplied by this denominator 3. So both the numerator and denominator by the same number you have to multiply. Again plus, now 5 by 3 will be multiplied by this denominator 5. Up and down you have to multiply by the same number. Now 19 into 3, 9 3s are 27, remainder 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 5. Again 5 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Again plus 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. So now you changed into like fraction. So now let's take the denominator common, since both are same denominator. Write the numerator on the top. So now after adding you will get 7 plus 5 12, 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8 and 15. Okay, so now this one this will be divided by 3 and 5 only, but this won't be divided by 3 or it won't be divided by 5 also. Okay, so they both don't have a common factor to be divided, so you can convert them into mixed number. So 82 divided by 15. So it is 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75. So if you minus 7. Okay, 5 will come sideways and this 15 will go down and this 7 will come up. So 5, 7 by 15. So this is the answer. This is the way how to calculate, and practice now, and I will give a worksheet for you. Thank you.